Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our piano 72 by 96 arch door. This is an oil rub bronze was getting blah, 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 blah. This door is an oil rub bronze. It's featured in a Loy glass, which you can also pick different glasses that you feel like. Piano door has some scroll work, also has some straight bars. People like straight bars and they like scroll work, so it's all combined in one. It's got a nice arched threshold on the bottom. Cool door. I think it's a very elegant door. Honestly, every time I look at these doors, there really isn't anything else that you can do to the front of the house to get such a big wow factor for this price. Whatever price we're selling for at the time that you're going to buy it. But it's, I think it's a great element to the house. And I've been in construction for such a long time, and you know, I know painting your house costs double or triple the cost of a door. I'm going to flip this around and show you guys the back end of this. We're on the back end of the piano door.
Hold on.
So we're on the back end of the piano door. I'm going to show you guys how the glass opens. I'll flick the tabs. Glass opens for air circulation, or you can, it's mainly there so you can clean the glass and clean the scroll work if you like. Optional screen is there on custom orders, you can add that. This is the back end of the kick plate. It's also got the same design on the bottom of the kick plate. What else? Measurements. Measurements are always measured from the top peak, from the outside of the frame all the way to the bottom of the door, and all the way from the outside of the frame to the outside of the frame is how our measurements are measured. Hope you guys enjoy this showcase, and if you guys have any questions, please contact us at info@pinkysIrondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.